What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I checked Lowe's' spring ad and I wanted to come over to the OPE stuff and like lawn equipment stuff and show you guys and see what kind of deals they got going. They got a few things going on, and also I really came here to look at flooring for our closet because I redid the closet, so got to put new flooring down. But I figure while I'm here, we'll just check it out and see if they got any good deals coming up. Spring's finally here in Illinois. It doesn't feel like it today, but tomorrow's gonna be 70, so everybody's starting to get everything revved up to do all their outside stuff. So let's walk around and see what we can find. Okay, these aren't on sale, but I didn't know. I think this used to be a different display last time I was here, but they carry those Blackstone Griddles here, which I know are popular. Everybody's into them. You see them all over social media and stuff. But man, this thing is, are people really storing these things at their house? This thing is massive. This thing is way bigger than a grill, and I mean this thing is big enough to cook food for an army. I don't know, but at any rate, they do have them here at Lowe's, and they got them in stock. They got two separate models. I just want to show you guys that because I know it's popular. So back to this Blackstone real quick. If you need a cover for it, this was regularly $54.98. Now it's $32.97 on clearance, which probably not going to carry anymore. And it's a 62-inch wide cover. Get these, because when I find a grill cover on clearance, I buy it because I've yet to see one, if it's windy in your area, where it does not rip. And grill covers last like a year and then they're shot. As I came down the aisle, I found these two deals that are pretty decently priced. This one definitely has a better price on it. It's $149, now it's 99 bucks. And then this one is $149, what was $179? I mean, I guess, you know, I wouldn't use these at home, but if people are buying campers and going camping to be more socially distanced, you know, it is what it is. But if you're in the market for one of these to be able to be portable and take your kids to games and stuff, it's not a bad deal. This isn't really power equipment, but the grill, that's the only one that I see that's lowered in price. Is that one. All the rest pretty normal price. Season just got started, so same thing with the lawnmowers. Nothing really on sale or price lowered, other than I saw this has a yellow tag, this Husqvarna, if you're looking for a new riding mower, but it says everyday low price, so I'm not sure what the price normally is, or if that's just a tag they put on there. Normally yellow means it's cheaper. But another quick thing to add, if you're looking for the best deals possible, you know, it's going to be hard, like I've mentioned in my other videos, to come in and out of the store all the time. But Consumer Reports magazine, that's actually really a good one to use, because they actually go, and I think they do it monthly in their magazine, on when is the best time to buy certain things like power equipment, cars, washers and dryers. They go through all that, so that can kind of give you a gist of the best time frame of the year to buy this stuff. All right, this wasn't like this the last time I was here, so this is a full complement of the Ego brand lawn equipment. Now I know this stuff is really popular. I haven't got into any of this stuff, but people talk about it all the time. I see it all over social media. Nothing's on sale, but you can see they got a whole mix of this stuff. I did not see this, but as I'm walking by the front of the store, they do got some Ego on sale. So the 56-volt 21-inch deck, $5.99 on sale for $4.99. If you're looking to get into this stuff, then it's a good deal. I've just not appealed to the cordless garden equipment just yet. I do have a cordless flexible blower and weed whacker, but all the other stuff I have is gas, because I just, you know, I don't know. Just gas has always been my thing for lawn equipment too. But I see this too, so I don't know if this is a sale or this is just the price of it, but that's a combo. Anyways, I think this is kind of a cool feature that you can go up to this. Here you go, Consumer Reports, like I mentioned. Scan it with your phone and learn more about it. Now, man, like I said, the outdoor power equipment has never been my thing, but you know, it says up to 45 minutes of runtime. I doubt that would run for 45 minutes if it was cutting grass. I'm betting probably half that if I had to guess. But don't get me wrong, a lot of people swear by it. They think it's good stuff. I've just never tried it, so I can't vouch for it. Same thing with this one. I noticed this one too is on sale, so they got a tag here that says $4.99, but up here it's $3.99, so it's $100 off. Cobalt brand. I just can't vouch for this stuff. I just wanted to show you guys the deals, let you make your own informed decision by going and researching it. But you know, I mean, that's $400 for a lawnmower that's cordless, that may cut your grass all the way. That's where I'm not sold on the outdoor power equipment stuff, because even over here you can get this one's $469, and it does take gas. I get it, guys, everybody wants to be environmentally friendly, but man, I can't see myself buying a cordless one where you can get a really nice gas one and you know it's going to run and work well if it's a Honda motor. So, not promoting Honda, I'm just saying I've never had bad luck. I've got a Honda motor on my power washer that's never caused me a problem. So that's where I'm just hard pressed and not sold on the cordless lawnmower part of it anyways. Not necessarily the blower and the weed whacker, because I've had good luck with those, but the lawnmower, I can't see myself using that, you know, because depending on if the grass is taller or shorter, you don't cut it forever, or something like that, you know, it's going to cut into your runtime into the cordless battery. So unless you have enough batteries, you're constantly swapping out batteries. And then the other thing is the price versus getting a cordless mower and then getting a gas powered mower like a Honda that's going to be really, really reliable. I'm hard pressed to be sold on it, because you can get a really, really good running Honda gas mower that's going to be pretty reliable and not have to swap out batteries. You know it's going to cut the grass whether it's taller or shorter, and not have to worry about bogging the mower down. Just my opinion, but I don't know. I've never had nothing to compare it to either. I've always used gas. I've never used a cordless mower. So you're going to have to just do your own research, but I'm just showing you guys all the options out there. The Cobalt brand stuff is definitely more homeowner brand stuff, but you can see they dropped their price on a lot of this stuff. And it comes with a battery and charger for that. It comes with a battery and charger for that. This is their blower and string trimmer combo. It's on sale $149. The pole saw kit's on sale $129. So if you're looking to get into the cordless stuff for lawn equipment, you don't have a lot of money to spend. The Cobalt stuff, I don't know. I've never tried it out, so I can't vouch for it, but it's definitely, from what I've gathered, it's a homeowner type of tool. But if you are going to get into the Cobalt, I did see this. This is on sale. That's really cheap, 77 bucks. To fog your yard, and that comes with a charger and battery too. So Lowe's is just starting to get their plants in, but Lowe's has a huge garden center, and that's one thing they've always been really good with, keeping it clean and keeping everything watered. I've always noticed over the years, even when I worked there a long time ago, they're always good about that. So they're starting to get everything in, it looks like. One thing I want to show you guys, if you're doing any kind of gardening at home and you're going to do it yourself, this is a necessity to have this, and they're on sale. At least the price is lowered. A wheelbarrow. You got to have a wheelbarrow, otherwise you're going to break your back moving dirt around, moving plants around. This Craftsman one's on sale for $109. This Craftsman one's on sale for $119. And then this one is $119 Cobalt brand, which out of all of them, that looks like the best one, because it has a flat free tire on it. It looks a little more heavier duty. These are all metal. Those look like they're all metal on there too, but that double wheel thing, I've never liked that. But yeah, if you're doing any kind of gardening, you have to have a wheelbarrow. Otherwise you're gonna break your back trying to move everything around. So that's it, guys. The season is just getting started too, so they're just coming out with their spring ads. I'm sure as the season wears on, they're probably gonna have a lot more deals or things that are gonna drop in price, because the models are always changing. It's just not yet because it's still early in the season and everything's just getting ramped up. But I figured I'd at least get in here and show you guys what they have to offer for the spring. Nothing too crazy jumped out to me as far as newer innovative stuff. So you know, lawnmowers, all the cordless equipment is really big right now. The gas grills, I looked at those, weren't impressed. You know, like the Weber, they're kind of the same. They just change up a little bit, but nothing really crazy. It just really depends on what you're looking for. I just wanted to get you guys in here, let you guys see what Lowe's has to offer for the spring, and then let you make your own informed decision on what you should buy. But they do have a lot of stuff. All right, guys, don't forget, give me those thumbs up, hit that bell for notifications, subscribe to my channel, drop a comment in the comment section below. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll see you on the next one.